Santos is doing one tire on our good friend's Mo's car. Let's see what's going on with this thing. He needs one tire. I don't know what happened. Let's find out. Santos is taking it out right now. We got a new tire in, guys, very, very quickly. Oh, this tire is completely gone. So it's seen better days, this one, huh? It's seen better days. I don't even think this is because of that. There's one thing sticking out here, no? Do you think so? The tire probably just gave up. Oh, it's a separation. All right, there's something called tire separation. Tire separation means there's steel belts inside the tire. Those belts go bad, the tire starts to separate like this, and it starts to give up. So, man, you got lucky. We got a brand new Michelin tire on this car. Good to go. That's it. Santos checked all the tire pressures. Looks great. That's it. We're good to go. Let's see how the car feels. It did have a little bit of actually vibration when I took it around. So that was because of that left front tire was bad. It's good that nothing happened because that could be a big issue with a tire blowout on the freeway or on the street. It's very dangerous. I mean, I've seen bad things happen. I love this thing. It's very nice, yeah. It's like a house on wheels, they call it. Joe, when you get rich, and Joey vids, I'd probably ask for one of these.
It's done?
Yeah. Mission complete.
Why are you under a car?
Today is my working under cars surgeries.
No Lamborghinis today for you?
No Lamborghinis today for me.
Hondas?
Hondas. You know, the first place where I work is only Hondas and Nissan and Toyota. And the other one was Buick Regals, Impalas, old school cars. This is new system. Give me an opportunity to work in Lamborghinis, Ferraris, Royce.
Okay, let me see which year is. Oh, I think this was 2000. Oh, 2000. Okay, guys, so we're back with my Marvin. He's eating, so he is one of my best employees. We have a 2010 Audi R8. So this car was in a different shop, in a different state. The owner didn't like the job, so he brought it to us. The job they done, it was really bad. So now we're doing everything redo. So we're changing the complete hood, we're changing the door, we're changing the complete front bumper. So the owner took it to the Audi certified shop, but they didn't kind of work on it nicely, so they messed it up. So we're gonna do the complete redo on this car. If you guys have a car, you guys been in an accident, you guys don't like it, if the insurance company pay for it, you guys can bring it to us and we can just redo it if something you don't like. The customer, he's gonna pay for our shipping. Yeah. But I think he will get that money back because this car was taken to an Audi shop and they messed it up. So I think they have to pay for the shipping too on this. Doesn't matter which state, city, just bring it to us, we'll fix it for you. Okay, I want my Twigs, 2 of them.
Alright.
And we can do another car too. For you guys a bonus, but I need my 2 Twigs.
Finally, it's starting to feel like summer. Now it's getting close to 90 to 100 degrees every day. And then when that happens, we get a lot of air conditioning jobs. All these cars you see, at least we're getting 1 to 2 a day. So this is another car here. We have an Audi here. Nothing's working actually on this car. AC fans are not working, nothing's working. So we're gonna go ahead and change a couple of stuff, including the compressor, see what's going on with it as well. Gotta get this car back to the client by tonight.
All right, guys, we are standing in our in-house paint booth and we are surrounded by carbon fiber. This is actually all the pieces that are going on the second Widebody Performante Urus in the world. As you guys saw, the first one we did in that gold color. Now we're doing a Nero Nemesis factory matte black color Widebody Performante Urus. So what you see here is a bunch of pieces from the 1016 Industries kit. And basically this is almost everything that they have optional in carbon fiber. This hood has kind of the same design as those the older ones with those vents, except the body lines have been changed because the front bumper of the new Urus is a little bit different. The factory hood vents will go back in these big large slits, so that will also be matte carbon fiber. All of it, we're gonna leave it exposed. Right here is the front aero lip that goes on the lower part of the front bumper. And then here, we have the side extensions that go on the rocker panels. The rocker panels on this car are also matte carbon fiber. So we made these matte. They're gonna stick on to the factory side skirts. These are the rear winglet pieces that go underneath the flare on the rear bumper. Also matte, obviously. The beautiful diffuser, newly designed by 1016. Now this features the upper part of the bumper as well. So this is all one piece, all carbon, fully exposed carbon fiber like that. And those little winglets I showed you go right over here too. So stay tuned for this project. We're almost done.
So we have an EVAP code on this 360 Ferrari. You guys are familiar with this car? Let me call our good friend Mark at Ferrari. Good, good. How are you? What's going on? I have a question for you. On the 360 Ferraris.
Yep.
Okay, the older ones. The gas cap. I took the cap off, and I guess it comes in 2 pieces. Does it come? Have you seen that?
Yeah, it's been a while.
Is that normal?
Great.
Like they come in 2 pieces inside?
I think it's supposed to be together, though. That's the thing. But those things come off sometimes.
Is it normal? Do we leave it like that, or should we change it?
Well, I can tell you the price, and I think you know. Yeah, they're not cheap. They're $500 for the gas cap.
Jesus Christ, $500 for a gas cap.
Yeah, I know exactly. Yeah.
I can eat at Panda Express for a month.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Yeah.
All right.
So I just put it back on. Yeah.
Send it anyway. Do you have it?
I don't have it. No, I'd have to order it on that stuff.
The color of the lip is the color of the car.
Oh, yeah.
It's not even regular black, it's like the pearl.
Bro,
Yeah.
paint it?
We painted the lip.
Fire.
The whole car will be like
That's sick.
matching, you know?
I noticed that.
Yeah, in the sun you'll notice it more. But that wheel's gonna be crazy.
G-Wagon here. This is one of our longtime customers. Nothing really crazy about this car, but there's a few things that he wants to get done. You guys can see the interior has this lime green color on the seats. So we're gonna make this steering wheel. We're gonna do the sides lime green. Of course, we're gonna leave the carbon here. We're gonna add some more green upholstery inside. He wants a little bit more green inside. Also, he has a couple of curb rashes on the wheels. We're gonna fix that. Do his exhaust tips. Basically, we're gonna black out the car. And there's a couple of mechanical stuff that need to be done. We're gonna do that as well. So that's basically it for this one. Nothing crazy, but a few things here and there.
All right, guys, another special project. The G-Wagon Australia right-hand drive G63 pickup truck extended. Together with our partners at Pit 26 Motorsports that specializes in these kind of builds. We are getting this thing done now. This is really special. As you see the flares right here, carbon fiber flares. These are actually the factory 4x4 new version G63 flares. So we ordered these from Mercedes-Benz. We are putting the factory style fender flares on this thing just to give that OEM appearance as well. As you can see, all of this was hand built with metal, and now we're doing all the filling work because all of this has to be completely straight because the trims go back on here, and then we have to build the hoop that goes here. After all this is said and done, we're going to be painting the car to the factory black color. You see the custom side steps right here. This is actually a mock-up of the factory running boards. Remember, this thing is extended like this much, so these are actually made extended, and now you see them on there. We're making actual brackets for this to bring this out because this has to come out until here. That's how much wider this thing is than a regular G-Wagon. So, and then we have a whole bunch of work to do on the interior because remember, this was cut, and we have to make the whole rear shelf, all that stuff. This is not just like a Brabus kit you go get and you tack on and you paint it, and you glue it on, whatever. This is real talent, real skill, real car shop guys getting together and building something really badass and unique all the way for Australia. Our boy Jay, who watches the channel, is super excited about this. We're also gonna do some upgrade parts on the front of the vehicle. The car has the amazing suspension by Bit 26. We don't know, we might even raise it a little bit higher. We'll see. I mean, look how messed up it looks right now, but when you guys see the final product, you're gonna be super impressed. And this is what makes RDB not like the rest.
You cut your forehead?
Yeah,
Where?
the Ferrari, the yellow one.
How?
Stupid, you know.
Fucking moving cars while Moses is fucking sitting and acting like he's working. Yeah, he's acting like he's working. Old school.
Yeah, I'm working on this.
Joe, if the buzzing is still there, you're fired.
Okay, how did you guys see the 3G wagons today? 3-man car.
What?
Those are 3 G-Wagons.
3 girls.
Question.
Men's car. One of them was...
Do you think the G-Wagon is a man's car?
Yeah. And one of them was...
I think more girls drive G-Wagons than guys.
Hey! Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below. All right? So, see you on the next one. Haha!